Good morning, YouTubers. Out for a Saturday morning ride here in Arlington, Texas, my hometown. We're on North Collins Street at I-30. Going to turn left, which is west, and head over toward Fort Worth this morning. Show you around a little bit. It's a beautiful December morning. Air temperature shows 46 degrees on the bike. The high later today is supposed to be up around 60 degrees, which I think is real nice riding weather. Fort Worth's motto is "Where the West Begins." Coming up on I-35, this is I-35W. I-35 splits north of the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Denton into I-35W, which goes through Fort Worth, and I-35E, which passes through Dallas. The two join back together again about 30 or 40 miles south of the Metroplex area, a little town called Hillsboro. I-35 continues south to the Texas-Mexico border at Laredo. I-35 goes north and ends up in Michigan, I think around the Detroit area. I believe it passes through Kansas City as you go north. It goes through Oklahoma City also, I know that, I've been there on it. Get another shot of downtown Fort Worth coming up here on the right. As you go south on I-35, the first major town is Waco, which is the home of Baylor University. Then as you go further south, you hit Austin and then San Antonio. Going north from here, Oklahoma is about 80 or 90 miles away. We're going to jump off here and go downtown. crossing under I-35W here. Okay, we're heading north on Commerce Street. This is the Fort Worth Convention Center. That's the Water Gardens right there on the left. They have some fountains. And straight ahead, just behind that backhoe, is the Fort Worth Convention Center. You can see the dome of it up to the left. They have a number of events held there each year. That's the train station to the right. Train runs between Dallas and Fort Worth. There you can see an entrance to the Fort Worth Convention Center. Going to hang a left here and get over to Main Street. We'll run right up Main Street. There's the Hilton Hotel there to the left, the brown brick building. This is the north side of the convention center. Turning right onto Main Street. This part here is bricked. That's the courthouse there at the end of the street, and the Fort Worth Christmas tree you can see coming up also. Main Street doesn't go all the way through to the courthouse anymore. They cut it, they blocked it off to form what's called Sundance Square. Another shot of the Hilton Hotel. Turn right here and cut around Sundance Square. On the left here is Bass Hall. Lots of cultural events are put on there. Bank of America Tower on the right. There's the courthouse on the left. Coming up on a bridge over the Trinity River where we drop down onto North Main Street. I've run in the Fort Worth Marathon and Half Marathon many a time, and this bridge in the Half Marathon is about 9 miles in. And we're going over the Trinity River, which you can see out there to the right, also to the left. May not seem it, but this bridge is a pretty tough climb at 9 miles into a foot race. Whole lot easier going downhill on a motorcycle. Some apartments have been built here. We're headed up toward the Stockyards next, historic Fort Worth Stock Exchange. Fort Worth Stockyards, White Elephant Saloon, Stockyards Hotel on the left, Risky's Steakhouse. There's the old Fort Worth Stock Exchange and Coliseum. Billy Bob's back behind that. The Fort Worth Cowtown Marathon runs right through here also. That'll be coming up at the end of February.